Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going over the CompTIA A+ certification exam. This is a two-part certification exam, 1001 and 1002. So what we'll be going over is the tips and resources that you'll need to pass this exam. So this is a question that I get a lot from some people is, do I need this certification to get a job in IT? No, you don't. But will having this certification help? Yes, it will. So it varies, depends on where you're at. If you're looking to switch career or you're just getting started, you have no experience whatsoever, definitely getting the certification will be helpful and you getting your first help desk or desktop support role. So my go-to for CompTIA A certification is Jason Dion. So if you're looking here that I have this pulled up, this is a Udemy course. For anyone that's not familiar with that, I'll also include a link in the description. For the most part, a lot of courses on Udemy are always on sale. So if you're looking to purchase a course, you can always find them on here. So for this course, this is like an introductory course here. There's not really a lot of information on here. Um, how long is this? This is about 3 hours. So this course is for the first part of the A+ certification exam. So this will be core one. So you can take this course and then once you finish, you can go to the next part, which will be the practice questions. So he also has 6 practice questions. So I'd say once you start getting like an 80 or above, then you'll know if you're ready for the actual certification exam. As you can see here, there's 6 of these. And these are extremely helpful because if you're looking to pass the certification exam, these two things are extremely helpful in helping you pass. And also, what I usually do to supplement with certification exam is I get a book. So if you're someone that don't like video courses, then this book will be really helpful. And if you're coming in with no experience or you're looking to switch career, I'd recommend reading this book cover to cover because you'll pick up a lot of stuff, especially with the fundamentals. Um, and I'll say as you're reading this book, you can highlight stuff, take notes, do flashcards, whatever help you while you're studying. And to supplement these resources, my next one is Professor Messer. So as you can see here, he has a video course. And also I'll include a link in the description for all of these resources as well. So this video course, there's about 74 videos on here. And I think he update this a lot as well. As you can see here, from 1 to about like 74. So this is really helpful. But if you don't want to watch this right here, what you can do is get his course notes. The course notes in the video one is the same. So what you can do is use the course notes to just kind of look stuff over, stuff that you feel like you're missing out. But these all these resources are extremely helpful if you're taking the CompTIA A+ and you're looking to pass this exam. This is a two-part exam, I should mention. So this course, this one, there's also another one for 1002 as well. So it's the same thing. I'll also include a link in the description. And I think for 1001, let's go over the exam objectives for 1001. As you can see here, I'm looking at this while I'm doing it. So this is 1001 Core 1 exam objectives. So as you can see here, 14% of this exam is mobile devices, 20% is networking, 27% is hardware, 12% is software. 12% is virtualization and cloud computing, and 27% is hardware. So there's a lot of hardware on core one of the exam. As you can see, there's a lot of hardware questions. And I think the passing score here says you need a 675, so which is not bad, and you get 90 minutes. So mobile devices, these are some of what you'll see on the test. What I always recommend for people to do is before you do anything, go over the exam objective so you can see what to expect. So that's for core 1. And also I'll include a link in the description for that one as well. Now let's look at core 2. So for core 2, we have operating systems 27%, security 24%, software troubleshooting 26%, operational procedures 23%. And for both of these exams, the first part of the exam is a performance-based questions. What I always recommend for most people to do is you skip the performance-based questions and you go back to it later after you answer all the multiple choice. So if you get a question that says, how do you find the IP address of a computer? Obviously ipconfig, which is pretty simple. Most people that's familiar with that will know that. So that's how you'd find the IP address of a computer. So something like that you might find in a performance-based questions. So for core 2, you'll need about 700, which is a little bit higher than core 1. So as you can see here, these are the exam objectives. And also, I know there's a lot of discussion in the tech community about people that the A+ is not respected. Like I said before, if you experience, then this certification won't do you any good. But if you're coming in and you have no experience whatsoever, or you're looking to switch career, this certification will be helpful in helping you landing your first help desk or desktop support position. So should you take the A+? If you're new to the tech field, I'd recommend getting it because you'll learn the fundamentals as well. But if you're experienced, maybe you have a junior role or something like that, then there's no point of getting this certification because you already have experience. So as you can see here, I went over a lot of stuff. I'll include a link in the description for all of this. And let's see here. This course notes is really good. There's the way the stuff were broke down. It's really helpful. As you can see here, the laptop hardware, all the stuff that's included in the hardware portion, display features. So these course notes are really helpful. Same thing with the video course as well. If you prefer video, then you can go over this. But yeah, so for anyone that have any questions or you're looking to take the CompTIA A+ certifications, I hope you find these helpful. This is pretty much what I use when I took that certification course, and they were very helpful. What works best for me may not work best for everyone else, but obviously doing flashcards. Flashcards work really well for me because then when I'm at work or just doing whatever, I can take a look at my flashcards. So these right here, these are pretty much what you'll need if you're looking to take the CompTIA A+ certification. If you study, I mean, you'll pass. And what I always recommend as well is, let's say if you feel like in 3 months' time you'll be ready, schedule your exam in advance. That way you have a due date in mind of when you want to finish studying. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'll be doing more certification videos later down the road. So if you find these helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.